Hey, hello everyone, this is Raj, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. It's also very easy and very simple. You already know how to do it basically, but just for the sake of making a video on binary to decimal conversion, I'm making it because I'm trying to make a series. If you don't know, then I'm making a complete series of networking essential course which I'm trying to make, and I'm working on it basically. And this is probably the second video of that particular playlist, and I'm making a playlist on that. And this is probably the second video on that playlist, which is on binary to decimal conversion. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple, so let's get started with this video now. The first thing that you have to do is basically you have to write down the same good old table that we had in the previous video, which is 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. If you haven't watched that video, do consider watching that video. The link will be there on the description below, or you can go and find out on the I button, which is coming over on top. You write down the table like 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 5, 6 and 7. And you write down this table, and what you have to do is the number that you are given. Now, one thing to note, very important thing is bit. What is a bit? These are bits. 0 and 1 are bit. Okay, so I'm going to explain about bit in the next video, but just know that we can't go beyond 8 bits in a binary number when we are doing any kind of networking problems. Like for example, we are doing IP addressing, or we are doing subnetting. You will know about IP addressing, subnetting in the upcoming videos of this particular playlist, but for now, you just know that there is something called as IP addressing, there is something called as subnetting, which you have to do, and those are very important topics which will be coming up on this playlist only. So do consider subscribing this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the recent notifications whenever I upload a new video. And this is a 8-bit number, and always remember that you can't go beyond 8-bit. Okay, you can't go beyond 8 bits. You are restricted to working with 8 bits in the field of networking. You know, in the field of networking, you can't go beyond 8 bits. So I have an 8-bit number over here, which is 101101110. Okay, you just have to write down the number in the proper order, which is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 0. And you just have to add the numbers on top of 1. Okay, so the place where you find 1, you just add the numbers on top. Okay, so here I have a 1 on top, on at the bottom of 128, so I will add 128. So let me take a text tool. So I will add up 128 plus I will do 32 plus I will do 16 plus I will do 4 plus and 2. Okay, so these are the basically numbers that we have to add up. So we have 128, we have a 1 below 128, we have a 1 below 32, we have a 1 below 16, we have a 1 below 4, we have a 1 below 2. Okay, you just have to add up those numbers and you get the result. So it adds up to how much? It's 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 gives us 182. Really very sorry, my maths is very bad. Okay, so pardon me if just don't laugh. Okay, I know my maths is very bad. Okay, so I'm really very sorry. So it's 182. Okay, and this is pretty much it. This is the way how you convert a binary number to a decimal number. There is a big process. If I try to explain this, you can watch a video that I will put a link in the description. You will go and watch that video. Okay, it is the complete method. I've shown the complete method in whiteboard. I've written in the whiteboard and I've shown you how to do it. There is a long process. If you follow that process, you can convert any number given to you. But since this is the field of networking, I already told you that we are working with 8 bits. You just have to remember this particular table and you do the calculations like this. This is the fastest method how you can do it. Okay, how you can do the calculation. So this adds up to 182, and this is how you do it, how you do the binary to decimal conversion. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Do consider subscribing to this channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and goodbye.